Here, we will walk through the steps to ensure a successful online credit card application. First, let's understand why having a credit card can be beneficial. It's not just about spending power but also about building a credit history. A strong credit history plays a vital role when you're looking to rent an apartment, secure a loan, or sometimes even during job applications. Additionally, managing a credit card responsibly can equip you with essential budgeting skills. Now, before diving into the online application, take a moment to review your financial situation. Remember, credit cards aren't free money, they're tools that can aid or hinder your financial journey. Begin by browsing different online credit card offers. Seek cards with no annual fee, competitive interest rates, and terms you're comfortable with. While perks and rewards can be tempting, prioritize cards that fit your spending habits and financial outlook. Many online platforms provide eligibility criteria for each card. Review these criteria to ensure you qualify. Most cards will require personal details, which might include your employment status or income. Once you've shortlisted a card that aligns with your needs, begin the online application. You'll be prompted to enter information such as your name, address, and social security number. Keep relevant documents nearby, as digital copies might be requested. The online process often provides instant feedback. You'll either receive an immediate decision or a notification that your application is being reviewed. This can range from a few minutes to a few days. If your application is approved, wait for your card to arrive by mail. In the event of a decline, consider seeking alternatives, such as a secured credit card, which can help in building your credit. A secured card requires an upfront deposit, usually equivalent to your credit limit. It's a safe way to build or repair credit, acting as a stepping stone to unsecured cards. Now, once you receive your card, take time to understand its terms. Regularly check your online account, set reminders for payments, or even automate them to ensure timely payments. There are numerous online tools and apps that can assist in tracking your expenses. Staying within your budget and making timely payments is crucial for a healthy credit profile. In conclusion, the convenience of online credit card applications is undeniable. However, responsibility is key. Manage your card wisely, and it can be a stepping stone to a strong financial foundation.